Chloe, Grace Moretz Brooklyn Beckham prove why they are relationship goals in the cutest moment of the week. Hey guys, it's Chloe for HollywoodLife.com, and as you guys might know, Chloe Grace and the spawn of David and Victoria Beckham just made their first red carpet appearance together as a couple at the Neighbors 2 premiere. Chloe is, of course, starring opposite our queen, Selena Gomez.
Welcome to Phi Lambda.
Hi, what are you doing? We don't hit joints in here.
Your parties must suck.
No, we don't throw parties here.
Obviously, her career is totally on fire right now, even if she has a habit of dragging Kim Kardashian. Click up here at any time for that crazy story. Well, anyway, Chloe was super coy about her relationship at first.
He's a good person. I enjoy hanging out with him.
Is it one of those things where you don't want to define it as a boyfriend because it's kind of, you know, you don't want to like put a label on it?
Maybe.
But that is obviously all over now, as we just spotted these two in LA, hand in hand, and damn guys, check out those matching checkered vans.
Damn! Daniel, back at it again with the white vans.
Back at it again, indeed. But I have to hear from you guys. Are you shipping Chloe and Brooklyn as much as we are? Hey there, you beautiful YouTubers. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We seriously appreciate it so much. But if you want us to keep making more, you have to subscribe by clicking on me or down here below. It's that simple. All right, bye guys.